Hello everyone, this is Dr. Smith Benjamin. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Aristotheo. Today we will discuss about the topic mutation. To start with the topic, first thing about the origin of the term, that from where this term mutation has come. If we see about the origin, the mutation, it has come from the Latin word mutate, and the meaning of this word, that is mutate, is to change. That means there is a meaning in the term itself, and it says there is a change. Now the question is that where is the change occurring? And when we define, we will come to know that where the change occurs when we define mutation. So if we look about the definition, if we see the definition of mutation, it's very simple definition that says that mutation is sudden heritable change in the genetic material. We can have different variations of definition, and if we see different variations, it says that change in genetic material, the first thing. Then it says change in the genome and change in the DNA sequence. What kind of change it is? It is a change that is sudden, and also it can be heritable. Now that is a very simple definition of mutation, that says that it is a process where a change is occurring in the genome, or a change occurs in genetic material, or change occurs in the genotype of any organism. Now why we have used different terms, genetic material, genome, or DNA sequence? When we study about mutation, when we define mutation, few things are very important to learn before we move into the details of mutation, and that is about the structure of genome, or what is a genome, what is genetic material, or what is genotype. If we talk about the genome, how do we define a genome? How do we define that what is a genome of any organism, for example a human or any other animal or any other plant? How do we define that what is a genome? Simply it means that the complete or entire amount of genetic information in that organism, complete amount of information or genetic information. As we all know that what is the genetic material in almost in all the living organisms, excluding the viruses. We have the DNA as the genetic material. That means there is information, the genetic information, it lies in the DNA. And when I say that genome is the complete amount of genetic information, that is stored where? Obviously inside the, or in the DNA. For example, in eukaryotes, where is the information? Suppose I have a cell, I have the nucleus. Since it is a eukaryotic cell, I can have the information inside the nucleus, plus I can also have the information in mitochondria, and if it is a plant cell, I can have the information in chloroplast. That means I can have the information in DNA, that is, or chromosome inside the nucleus. I can have the information inside the mitochondria, and if it is a plant, I can have the information inside the chloroplast. That means if an organism is a eukaryote, I can have the information stored in the DNA or in the chromosome inside the nucleus, plus mitochondria and the chloroplast. So this is the total amount of information or genetic information that I have in a eukaryotic cell, and this is only the concept of genome. When we talk about the concept of genotype, you might have studied, or in Mendelian genetics, what is a genotype? That is simply a genetic makeup. That means what is the makeup or genetic constitution of any cell or any organism. And so this is how we can have the definition of mutation. That means it simply says that it is a change in the genome, change in the genetic material, that is the DNA, or change in the genotype of an organism. So this is how we can define a mutation in simple and easy language. Next, what kind of changes, different changes we can have in the genotype. I hope whatever we have discussed just now, these things are very clear to you. I will upload my next video where we will discuss about another concepts in mutation. Thanks a lot for watching this video.